Hi and welcome back to the channel. I've just arrived in Germany and I couldn't resist of going to this lake here because yesterday I saw that there are a lot of water birds, nearly more than I've seen on the water in Norway in a year or something, so I couldn't resist of just going and trying to get some photos today, and that's what we're gonna try. Hope you enjoy this. It's really late fall already, sadly, but maybe we get some colors still. I really think I found a nice spot here. The edges here are not too steep, so I can lay down and just see on my mattress how close I can get actually to the water surface. Now this place is really pretty. I just have to calm down, I guess, so that the birds don't mind me anymore. I mean, they're quite, not that shy. I got the camera really flat onto the water surface here with the tripod and let it hang down with the fluid head. And there's some birds which are not too far away yet, and I just try to get into not complete camouflage but least contrast, and I just have to wait because in the beginning of course I made some noise when I came in here and checked out the place, and now I guess I just wait until they trust this place a bit more. And in general the animals here are not so shy, so I think I have good opportunities to get photos in any case. I'll just stay 1 or 2 hours. Yeah, look at that already. So I'm already seeing some great crested grebes and the grey heron on a tree over there, and there's some, I think they're called Coots or something, right in front of me, which is I guess the main bird we try to get close to today because they're the least skeptical, it seems, so far. But just look at this guy here. I hope I can show it to you. Like this. Photographing birds on water is always really great, or anything on water, because the water of course reflects and makes it sometimes way easier to have lower ISO settings. So today is a really murky day, but it's okay. So it's not going to be the greatest photos, but it's something good to start, I think. For the next time I really have to see what I get into the foreground, because this didn't work. It still gives me some camouflage from the animals, but I just don't get the foreground effect that I wished for. And now that doesn't mean that I don't get nice photos, but it doesn't really work out to be as spectacular as I maybe imagined. Well, today is finally a day where we have a clean sunset. A lot of birds on the lake, and I'm just gonna lay down somewhere and wait until the sun goes down and see that anything comes close, maybe with some camouflage. It's a bit complicated getting closer to the water, but I think if I wait long enough and the bird comes close enough, I still have good chances to get at least a decent shot, to use this evening light. There's always a couple with kayaks going around in this lake, and I just hope that they stop at some point and go home before all the light is gone. I mean, they did like 3 rounds already, so I think they should be done soon, hopefully. I mean, they saw me and they told me that my camouflage is great, because they passed by 2 times and they didn't see me. My kayak friends came once more, but actually in between the birds, the coots over here came really close, at least closer than I would have imagined, and I think pretty photos, definitely. Really nice that they have such a reddish orange eye, the iris. It looks just really good. Really pretty birds. We're gonna see if they come out once more. There's a bird of prey circling above here. We get to that later, I guess. Beautiful evening so far. I just hope for more. perfect. They're right in front of me. The light is gone now mostly. But I think I got some nice photos and now they don't really mind anymore. It's getting a bit too dark for really fast shutter speeds. So I'm gonna pack it soon. I hope you really enjoyed this new format. Not really new format, but new country for now. And I hope you like this video. Maybe consider joining the channel, subscribing, all of these things. Write me a nice comment if you liked something or if you have anything to say or critique. It was really nice having you here in Germany for the first time, really. See you soon.